Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fry an egg perfectly. Frying an egg is a simple culinary skill that everyone should master. We will cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving your desired yolk consistency. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game with these straightforward steps. You'll be frying delicious eggs in no time, making your mornings much more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our pan for frying. It's crucial to use a medium-low heat setting to prevent the egg from burning or cooking too quickly. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter, oil, or bacon grease to the pan. Wait for the fat to fully melt and shimmer gently. This shows it's at the perfect temperature for your egg. This step ensures a beautifully cooked egg every single time. Next, let's crack and cook our egg. Cracking the egg into a small bowl first helps prevent shell fragments and allows for a controlled pour. Gently slide the egg from the bowl into the shimmering fat in your pan. For a lovely runny yolk, cook the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes. This method ensures even cooking and a delightful texture. To finish, season your perfectly fried egg with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cook it for an additional 60 seconds or so. Once cooked to your liking, carefully slide the egg from the pan onto your plate. Serve it immediately on a piece of warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast items for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.